morning, guys. Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. I just got done moving the meat birds in the chicken tractor, and we got a call, and I knew it was going to happen this close. That the second set are ready. So I need to, I've already cleaned out the chicken tractor. Need to plug in the heat thing. Get that going so it's nice and warm. And then I forgot to feed Kitty. Kitty, gotta feed the kitty. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hi, Millie. Hey, Millie. As Chris calls you, Millie Vanilli, huh? You're named after a Milwaukee tool. We were having a hard time finding a name for her. And so my sister-in-law came up with, we have a lot of Milwaukee tools, and since she's a shop cat, named her Millie. But then Chris calls her Millie Vanilli. So I guess she lip syncs. Huh? Do you lip sync? Are you not really saying meow? Okay, so that's plugged in. And as soon as we get back, I gotta clean out the water in the feeder. So I'll go put that out here. They have to have water first thing. Since they've been traveling in the mail, we don't want them to not have any water. So I'm gonna wash this out really quick. There we go, fresh water, fresh bedding, and heat lamp, or heat source. We'll see you, Millie, with some new baby chicks for you to guard, okay? Okay, Norman, we got the birdies. They're right there. Let's get them inside, honey. Let's get them inside and see what we have. Make sure everybody's alive and well. Okay. Let's see here. You guys were wondering. Let's get them. Okay. One. Two. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, you get out of the water. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. And then a freebie. 17. You know, I think it's them some food. Okay guys, I was a little concerned about that black one. That black one's just a freebie that they give you, and it's most likely a rooster, and that's okay. Now they're finding the heat lamp, and then this is their food I just put in here. I put it against the wall, and they'll discover that real soon. But now that that chicken right there has had a couple of drinks of water, he should be okay. I always put everything kind of close together to start off with, so they can find the heat. Make sure your heat source is working. That's on, it's working, okay? And just kind of check everything out. It's good to put rocks in there. The Cornish cross seem to do okay without it. But it's pretty warm today, so they're moving around. Now, if it was a cold day, I would make sure right away they knew where the heat source was, where they could run to. If I had any more birds than this, I would get another heat source, like a heat lamp, or maybe another one of these in the mail. I got that off of Amazon, and I think they're the cheapest off of Amazon, but get a good rated one. The only thing I don't like is that they get on top of that and manure on it. And it's hard to clean because it's an electrical item. So, but other than that, I like those a lot better than the heat lamps, because the heat lamps can burn down your house. So anyways, everybody is looking alive and well and chirping away. And those are all good signs. What you want to watch for is you want to watch for them sitting there kind of dazed, kind of with their eyes closed. Make sure you dip their beaks in water, and if they still are kind of restless, make sure you get them under the heat, and then just kind of watch them, and then check on them regularly. So if this guy was still acting that way, I would make sure that I come out here like every hour, make sure that he gets some water, and put him back under the heat. Because they literally come to you from the hatchery when you get them in the mail like this. They come to you just hatched, and then they're shipped that day. So they're hungry and thirsty and need food right away. So the most important thing is water, and then shelter and warmth, and then food. So they will find the food in no time, so I'm not worried about that. I usually stay out here until they find everything that they need. If not, I introduce them to the food. And then once one finds the food, they all find the food. They're very food driven, so. This one's wondering where all her friends went. So, show this one where the food is. Check this out. What's that? What's that stuff? See how it calms down as soon as her friends come back? That black one is drinking a lot of water, so he obviously needs it. So there you guys go. Birds from Murray McMurray. Yeah. See, I spilled a little bit of the food and they're finding that food first. And of course, it's the smallest one that finds the food. Okay. I think they're going to be okay. I'll come and check on them in an hour or two and make sure everybody's alive and well. Hey guys, check up on the chickie babies and see how they're doing. They obviously found the food and they're under the heat, so they found that too. And everybody's still alive and well. Good. Put that back on those guys. And there we go. Yay. Come on now, Roy. Come on. Come on, Bubba. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching as we receive another load of baby chicks for the homestead and meat chicks. And so we'll be putting them out on pasture in about 3 weeks. And that is our time period. And it might be 4 weeks. I want them big enough to be with the other birds so that they can handle themselves well. Come on, Bubba. So we'll see you guys next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead, and God bless. Bye.